recording the whole time.
So,
I swear. I swear you just heard that
you
noise.
swear?
Yeah.
You fucking kidding me, Victor?
I'm so sorry. I forgot. Let's try to do it again.
Okay.
Just do the tutorial for this one.
First time using this slime tube sealant, prevents and repairs flat tires. This tire right here had a hole on it. We kept on trying to air it up, but obviously kept on going flat. So we're gonna use this. My age didn't have this stuff, so it's pretty exciting to use. I already took out the valve. They give you a little tool to take out the valve for it. So let's do it. First time putting it in.
Take your time.
Yeah, second time I already did in the front tire, but my son over here didn't press record.
I'm sorry. See how fast it's going.
Alright.
Nice bike in the
about-
background. Diamond back.
Used about 3/4 of it maybe.
Whoa, I just came out of my arm.
Yeah.
Let me just look there real quick.
No, don't look. Okay, this is the valve. This is the tool that comes with the sealant. Perfect. Take out and put it right back in.
Have to pull back up and twist it back.
You know, righty tighty, lefty loosey. You know the deal, folks.
I'm in the background telling him his left and right, so he knows how.
Alright, nice and tight. That valve's back on there. Alright.
See how it's back on there? That stick is back in there.
Okay, let's put that like that. Let's
Spin it real quick.
turn this around a little bit.
So I can go everywhere.
So I can spread the sealant around the tire. Now we're missing the valve.
What's that thing?
Common problem.
It's a common thing. It always happens. All of my tires are dislocated, so that's fine. We need to do it.